guys, and welcome back to another episode of Marvel Card Collecting and Investing with me, Ginger Cards. Hope you're super well. Thought I'd jump on and do a quick episode on the Goldin Auction results from last night. The next round of Marvel Cards listed with Goldin. Looks like a lot of the cards had extended bidding, including this Green Venom, which ended very early in the morning here in UK. So we'll go through some prices. There's a few cards I've picked out. I want to talk about recent comps, recent sales, and where these cards are at. So I guess the first one we should talk about is the Green Venom from the 2015 Fleer Retro set in a BGS 9 Pop 1. That ended up at $11,400, which is, in my opinion, slightly below where I expected that one to go. However, there's not much sales data to go off of on this card in particular. There was a Green Venom PSA 8 that sold very recently for $25,000 on eBay, but did not get paid for. So can't even compare it to that. But I mean, it's a fabulous card. I don't use that word a lot, fabulous, but it's a stunner of a card. Not something you're going to see every day, and definitely one for whoever's paid $11,000. Keeping their collection for 5-10 years, long-term hold. Winner, chicken dinner for that one. But yeah, very nice card for the Green Venom. 2015 Dark Phoenix BGS 9.5 with the gold label. This went for $4,920. And remember, these are all with the buyer's premium included. So yeah, solid price. I was trying to find some data on the Dark Phoenix Blue that wasn't, a BGS 9.5, but couldn't find anything in a similar grade. So yeah, very good price for that card in particular. Obviously the Luke Cage there, $1,680. Next card I wanted to talk about was the 2016 Marvel Gems Exquisite Nameplate Spider-Man, and this was the big dog of the night, or one of the big dogs of the night. Numbered out of 10, 2 out of 10 in a PSA 8 slab. That ended up at $17,400. And again, if we compare that against the Exquisite that sold not so long ago, which is numbered at 30 in a PSA 9 of Spidey, that went for $6,300. So has the same person bought that card and this card? I don't know, but fascinating, isn't it? Captain America. So this is 2013 red PMG of Captain America in a PSA 8 slab. This went for $3,720. So a bit of context on the price of that card in particular. So a raw back on the 3rd of April, so a raw card non-graded, went for $1,000. And on the 21st of February, so not so long ago, PSA 8, similar grade, same grade, went for $8,600. So massively down. Does this present a buying opportunity for some of these red PMGs, especially from the 2013 set, is what I'm looking at? Potentially, yes. Potentially, yes. But let me know your thoughts down in the comments. But nice Black Panther there in a PSA 7. So the Gambit, this is a BGS 9. There was a green Gambit and a blue Gambit. So let's look at this one first. BGS 9 of Gambit, numbered out of 50. This went for $2,280. Again, Gambit's first year for PMG, or first PMG as such. That's a fair price, I guess. There's nothing, again, to compare with in terms of sales data. But it's a sweet looking card. It really is, isn't it? Next up, 2015 Fleer Retro PMG Red collection of 15 different cards. None of the massive names, but some decent characters there. That went for $5,281. That works out at $352 per card, which is pretty good. Myself and Card Boss talked about this in a recent episode we did together. I said, is this a good buying opportunity? Card Boss thinks that maybe someone's graded all the best cards or the higher tier characters or the ones that look like they would get a decent grade and then left these to sell raw, potentially. But again, looking at the cards in detail through a computer screen, it's difficult to tell. But I think that's a good buy. I really do. When you look at a Green Goblin BGS 9 there, went for $600. Is that likely to be a 9, that Green Goblin on here? I don't know. But a decent buy, I would say, for that lot in particular. Nice blue BGS 8 Thanos, $1,112. Ghost Rider BGS 9, $2,640. This went well. 2021 2020 X-Men Metal PMG of Scarlet Witch in a green, so numbered out of 10 in a PSA 8 slab, $2,280 for that. That's a pretty good price considering. Again, the greens on eBay, raw greens are just getting bought up left, right and centre. Every single day there's a raw green from this set going. This Storm, so this PSA 10 Storm that I talked about last night, 2015, went for $5,400. So someone definitely paying a premium for that PSA 10. Again, it looks pretty minty from what I can see. And again, this is a pop 2, so there is another one out there, which is pretty fascinating. But yeah, $5,400 with the buyer's premium for that card. BGS 8 Deadpool, 1,686. Green Goblin, numbered at 50 in a BGS 8.5. That's fascinating. So that's $990 for that blue Green Goblin. It's very similar grade for that red, but that's 2015. So I guess, in terms of serial number, that's not far off, I guess. Vision BGS 9, $960 for that. This is a surprising one. Wolverine nameplate. So the Spidey, as we just saw, went for $17,000. And then this BSA 8 Wolverine, again numbered at 10, went for $5,700. We know based on card sales data of characters, Spider-Man is top, Wolverine is second. So I thought the disparity between the Spider-Man and the Wolverine would be a lot closer. I would expect that probably in the 10k region thereabouts if you're looking at some of the previous sales data across certain sets, including some PMGs, not all. I don't know, just my thoughts. As always, this is all my personal opinion. Doesn't mean I'm right. Again, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Galactus, the green sold back on the previous Goldin Auctions for $17,400, and that was a BGS 9. So $17,400 for the 9 from 2013 set, and this went for $2,130 for a BGS 8, which is pretty solid. And then the red went for $840 for a BGS 8.5, which I think is also a good buy. Silver Surf on the back there, which is always a good thing, right? Ghost Rider PSA 7, 864 for that even. Rogue 1,110, below where some of the comps have been in the last couple of weeks, even months, but not bad. Magneto BGS 8, I think that's a great buy. I really do. $600 for that. That's a steal, in my opinion. Doctor Strange movie coming out. Did that affect some of these card prices? This is a BGS 8 red from the 2013 set. Went for $1,562. Not too bad. $6,000 for this 8 red set. $3,000 for that. BGS 8.5 of Thanos. So a Thanos red went for $902. How much did the blue go for? I can't remember, so I'll scroll back up. So blue went for $1,112 in a BGS 8 versus an 8.5 red. So the disparity between those two is a little bit out of whack. But, the reds, I think, are very interesting. Very, very interesting. I want to have a deep dive into the reds in particular in terms of sales and sales volumes and things like that. BGS 8 for the Doctor Strange PMG red again, 1,320. BSG, which are on fire. PSA 9 of this Thor versus Iron Man. Sick card, isn't it? Really nice. 1,920 for that. So, the other green I want to talk about was the Gambit. BGS 9.5, 2015. Gambit numbered at 10. Sweet grade, sweet card, $7,920. Wow. Compared against Venom, that went for $11,000. I think that's a really strong sell. And again, these greens and blues, in terms of long-term investment, are these investment pieces? Are these PC? I don't know, but we're not going to see that anytime soon, in my opinion. Scarlet Witch, $1,020 for that blue. Nice Thor SGC 9. Went for $570. That's a really good buy for that card in particular. Complete Molten Vibranium set went for $2,400. Wow, Crazy. 1,080 for that Punisher. Cap there. The blue BGS 7.5 Doctor Strange went for 2,280. So, almost a grand above the red, which is slightly better in terms of, disparity. Sabretooth, 540. Another surprising one, Mystique Blue. Again, green Mystique went for $25,000 in March. So that was a raw cut, and that was paid for. So yeah, this is the alpha as well, remember. So yeah, 5,103 for that Mystique. Great buy. 870 for that blue Miss Marvel, and again we just talked about the green, which went for around $4,000 in a PSA slab, I think it was. Captain America BGS 9 from the 2015 set, 3,600. Deadpool 3,600 for PSA 9, really nice. Jean Grey, not seen that card a lot. BGS 8.5, 2,070. This Storm was a great buy, and again I was keeping an eye on this. 2013 red, and it's the alpha, so 1 of 100 in a BGS 8 solid grade alpha. That for me is an absolute steal of the night. And again, that's not me being biased because I kind of collect Storm cards, but I think that's just a great buy. And I love Storm as a character. Iron Man PSA 9 went for $6,000, and that's from the 2017 set. That's a surprising sale. But Iron Man's popularity, is huge. Doctor Strange Omega 10 of 10 for this nameplate from the Marvel Gem set. Again, $3,000 for that. I expected that to go for a lot more. Again, if Wolverine was 6,000, Spidey was 17, I don't know. I guess that works in terms of character popularity. But yeah, surprising. Nice BGS 8.5 of Red Skull. Cyclops, love this Cyclops, really cool. BGS 8.5. Another Storm BGS 9 for 540. And again, you could buy the Raw for 300 to 400 Raw, so a good price, I guess. Nice Phoenix there. The nameplate of Thanos went for more than Doctor Strange. So that went for 3,900. That was a PSA 9 slab. Very nice. And then the Scarlet Witch went for 2,520. And again, these are things we've not seen pop up in the market before. So that's one thing to bear in mind. No sales data to go off as such, once again. But this was an alpha pop one for that one. I mean, solid price, 2,520. Really solid price. Nice Hulk red from the 2013 set and PSA 8, 3,900. And Frost there. Daredevil BGS 8.5, 786 for that. Blue Black Panther in the PSA 9 from the 2015 set, 1,926. Apocalypse, Red Skull there. Blue Domino, Iron Fist and Iceman. Iron Fist fetching a little bit more for BGS 9. That's surprising. 2,160. Interesting. The 2012 Rittenhouse, lot of, is it three different cards with a signature, 2 signatures on there, $1,800. Pretty cool stuff. Not something you see every day either. Definitely not. So you got Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield, autograph and relics. Pretty cool. $510 for that Apocalypse. Another great buy again, in my opinion. BGS 8 of Storm, $990 for that. Man, I could have got a red, a blue for not too much. I say not too much, still a lot of money, but far less than I expected, I guess. And the red PSA 8 Galactus went for 1,200. Apocalypse 1,320. The blue Mystique 990. This really cool hologram of Venom and Spider-Man went for 360. BGS 9.5, not bad price. And then finally we've got Dr. Ock, a PSA 9 1,200, and then a PSA 10 Mephisto went for 90. which is a great buy. Yeah, that concludes this episode. Again, crazy. What happens to the next round of Goldin Auctions? And believe me, there's going to be another one. What's it going to be? Is it going to be some different cards? More PMGs? Who knows? But I'll try and keep you updated best I can. And as always, let me know your comments down below. What surprised you? What was a great buy in your opinion? Did you buy one of these cards? Did you participate in bidding and all that stuff? Please do let me know. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you very soon. Marvel cards, baby.